Hello property viewers, and welcome to another property tour. I'm Nina Johnson, your agent with Coa Bank of Jamaica Realty. We'll be showing you the Azaleas, a complex that consists of 23 townhouses and 8 apartments. We currently have 4 units up for sale. They are townhouses, 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom. The starting price is $550,000 US, which equates to about 84 million Jamaican. It's 2,400 square feet. The amenities of the complex consist of 24-hour security, a swimming pool, gazebo, backup generator that hooks up directly to your unit, and backup water. Thank you Kida and Neville for setting up this video, and I remind you all to please like, comment, share and subscribe. Now let's get into this tour. So right now we're located in Kingston 6, actually in the Golden Triangle of Kingston. Now every city has a Golden Triangle, and why it is called the Golden Triangle is that it's in close proximity to major schools, and popular shopping centers. It's always within a 5-mile radius of your school shopping centers, easy to get to everywhere. So now I'm standing under the 3-car carport. You can fit 2 cars under this covered section, and over to my left you can fit a guest parking. So it's really nice. You have interlocking bricks that you drive onto, and you have a lot of green natural area that you could landscape as you please. You could even put a little bench, which I think would be super cute. So now welcome to the interior of our model unit, which has been staged. So I'm super excited to show you guys what it looks like. Let's get this tour started. I'd like to mention first that all the staging has been done by Spaces. So everything that you see throughout the whole townhouse is all Spaces. They've done a great job. So this is a formal living room, TV room area. You have all your windows screened, which is really useful for mosquitoes, we all know. We have a large storage space underneath the stairs with a light switch, so you're not looking around in the dark for your Christmas tree. So let's go and check out the kitchen. Before we get there, I'd like to mention we have a powder room. So in our kitchen now, it's open plan. You have a breakfast bar, so you can be cooking and entertaining all at the same time. You have lots of cupboard space. So you even have a whole sectional space for all of your plates and knives and forks. You have a massive sink to wash all of your plates, and a pull-out garbage bin, super useful with the components already included. So right behind these 2 doors is the laundry area, where you could fit a stackable and a basin, which also holds a water heater. Now to the rear, behind this door, is a full staff accommodation that has a full shower stall and sink, everything your staff would need. It's perfectly located right by the laundry area and to the rear of the kitchen. So now moving to my more favorite part of the townhouse, which is our formal dining space, where you could fit even a rectangular table because the space is so ample, which is what I really do love about the dining room area. Plus it also has a window bringing in a lot of natural light. And right across from it you have your sitting room, living room, where you would entertain, you're having drinks. It's a very functional space. You could fix the furniture however you'd like, really. And then it flows perfectly outside to the covered patio space, which I absolutely love, because when it's raining you're still protected, but you do get that touch of outdoors. And you have a lovely lawn that you can landscape as you please. And to the rear you have a door that will lead you out to the swimming pool, easy access. If you have little kids, it's absolutely perfect. But this space is truly where I think you would entertain the most, and you would just live out here. Just live out here, it's beautiful. So now we're gonna go upstairs and check out the 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. Yes, they are all en suite. Let's go and take a look. So I really love this stairway because they gave you an opportunity to decorate, because they gave you this lip where you could put some of your decorations. You also have a big blank canvas, I'll call it, where you could put any painting you'd like, or even a chandelier dropping down, adding a lot of light to the stairwell. So first we're going to go and check out what I consider would be more of the kids' room, because this room has a bath in it in the bathroom. None of the other bathrooms have a bath, so that's why I call it more of the kids' room. But it's very bright. You have big windows, 4 of them, all screened, no mosquitoes, which clearly you see I appreciate. You have a tray ceiling and built-in cupboard space, and it's quite a big room. Can fit a queen-size bed comfortably. So now we're gonna go and take a look at bedroom number 2, which I'd use as my guest room, second bedroom. It's a bit bigger, but again, lots of natural light, tray ceiling, a bigger closet. It's more of a walk-in closet in this one. But the bedroom is so big, it could even probably hold a king if you really needed to. But lots of space, super airy, high ceilings, all the doorways are super high, which I love because it makes it look super elegant. And then back through this door, you're gonna have your bathroom, where you have a shower stall. You have vents, modern sink, everything you need in a modern home. So at the landing upstairs, you also have your linen closet. So it is, again, with the tall doors that I love, will give you a lot of space to store things, your towels. And now leading to the primary bedroom that we have saved for last. Again, a super bright bedroom, very big space, enough for your TV. I love how Spaces has put this mirror here. It really opens up the whole room. And it has a massive walk-in closet. I mean, if all your clothes don't fit in there, I don't know how much clothes you have, but it's too much. And then you have a lovely bathroom, well appointed. You have your glass, which is very in right now. Lovely rain shower head and a window, so you can even be looking out at the mountains while you're showering. Very nice and peaceful. So let's go downstairs so that we can recap the tour that I have just given you. So just to recap what we've just seen, I'm going to give you a few of the details again. We have looked at a 3-bedroom townhouse with 3 full bathrooms, a powder room, and a full staff accommodation. So it's very ample space, 2,400 square feet in this standard unit. I just wanted to tell you that we have an extended version, which is a little bit bigger, 2,600 square feet, but it's being sold for 595,000 US, which is about 91 million Jamaican dollars. Now the only difference in those units is that the master bedroom is just that much bigger. So it gives you a lot more room, the bathroom is bigger and the closet is bigger, if that could even be possible. But I really want to thank you guys for doing this tour and for watching. I'd like for you guys to like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.